How do I get my bond reduced or try to get out of jail without a bond? One of the first things we do with any client who's in jail is figure out what we need and what they need in order for them to be released. In a lot of instances, the biggest problem is that their bond was set by the initial magistrate that they saw way too high, and they can't afford the bond that's been set. In most instances, within a matter of 1 or 2 days, we're able to file the type of motion we need, usually what's called a writ of habeas corpus, in order to get in front of the trial judge and ask him or her to lower the bond. When we do this, we bring to the judge's attention everything involving where the client lives, his or her employment, his or her education, and showing the judge how the client can be released without being a danger to the community. In a lot of instances, the judge will reduce the bond to an amount our client can afford. In some instances, we're actually able to get what's called a PR bond, which is where the judge releases the client and the client doesn't have to pay anything as long as they come back to court. Obviously, that's the best type of bond, but it's not always available.